black running meat, Jamaica best meat. This one. Good for stomach also. Yeah man, bilious and all them stuff.
Plant-based infusions or bush tea have always been a significant part of Jamaican traditional folklore medicine. Jamaica is of particular global interest because it has approximately 52% of the established medicinal plants which exist on Earth, according to a study done by noted Jamaican scientist Professor Henry Lowe. In the community of Askenish in the Dolphin Head Mountain range in Hanover, one farmer, Jeremiah Evans, cultivates many of these medicinal herbs organically on his farm. Jamaican herbal concoctions or bush teas have been primarily used over the centuries to treat the common cold, flu, headache, nausea, pain, reproductive system disorders and digestive issues, and other types of diseases which pose a significant global burden. Jeremiah is among the many farmers from the mountains of Hanover who come to the Willie Delisser Boulevard in Lucy to sell their produce on weekends.
Up in the Dolphin. Yeah, man.
Alright, Jeremiah, so tell me what you have here. Tell us what you have here.
Alright, the one here first one is medicine. The one is semi-contract. Them call it semi-contract. Yeah, but this we call it worming, not Jamaica, worm bush. Yeah man, this is the best worming. You boil it with little soursop leaf, and you got every worm killed by this. Yeah man. This one now is the comfrey leaf. This is the comfrey leaf. If you get any damage like hurt, like brain or butter or lip, stomach pain, that one is good for you. Good for womb problem too. Yeah. Yeah man, this is the black running meat Jamaica best meat. This one. Good for stomach also. Yeah man, bilious and all them stuff left. Yeah. Same thing this black running meat.
Tell me what you pear them. You have a lot of beautiful pears
man,
here.
I have some avocado. I plant every one of them trees. I have a lot of pear up in the Dolphin here. Big one, small one. We have all them sizes. I drop that one, I drop and bruise up. I pick them in a jug, but the jug put me the whole of one, so it drop. Yeah man. Beautiful man. Dry.
Or the banana?
Yeah man, we have some nice natural ripe banana. Roast Michel.
You planted these?
Yeah man, we plant them some here man.
Up in Dolphin Head Mountains?
Up in the Dolphin Head Mountains, near to Mark Tree. Yeah.
And the plantings down here?
Yeah man, we have planting and green banana also. Planted green banana.
So how often you come here to sell on Willie Delisser Boulevard?
Well, like every Saturday, me is here, right here.
So if people want herbs, tell us the other herbs that you have, because you have a lot of other herbs.
Yeah man, me have rosemary herb, me have search me have any other one, me have fresh cut. A lot of things man, I can't remember all of them, a lot of medicine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It would chip too.
What again?
Purge.
You have what?
It would chip, where you chip from a tree, that purge your bloodstream, clean you out.
Oh yeah, bitter wood as well?
Yeah, that clean you out. You boil it and drink, clean out everything, cold, bilious, everything come out.
Okay, how long have you been planting herbs?
Well, you know, we're just planning on about Call it about 7 years now, but me born up Askenish. You know? And from me come back I just this me I do. Yeah man, I raise me animal them because I have a lot of animals.
We have goats or cows.
Me have goat, me have cow, me have rabbit, me have guinea pig, me have game fowl, me have duck, cow.
Okay, so you're doing the tours of your farm? You're doing the tours? We can come and do a tour of the farm?
Yeah man.
Okay.
Yeah man.
Alright, so if people want to get in contact with you to buy your herbs, so you have a number?
Yeah, I have a number, but you don't really have it in my brain like that because iPhones are new, you know. But I like you have to search it and get out the number.
Okay, alright.
One 187. 187. 6 3 4 3 8 9 4 8.
Go again.
187. 6 3 4 3 8 6 4 8.
Okay, alright.
Them are boiling one. And then are store. You find food or wash the chicken or
So orange.
yeah, simple orange.
You plant the trees?
Yeah man, I have the tree.
Okay.
I have lime tree also, I plant whole heap of tree I plant. I plant all that whole heap of tree. Whole heap of tree.
Fruit trees?
Fruit tree.
Okay.
Yeah man.
Alright.
Custard apple, star apple, name it. Mango tree, all type of tree I plant.
And you plant?
Coconut tree. I have all dry coconut and this.
Oh, okay. You plant the pepper them, let me see?
Yeah man, I plant them pepper.
Show me them.
I have some chili pepper come. Let me get from my sister from foreign. Them are grow you know. Some chili pepper. Them are Jamaican pepper.
Scotch
Brown
bonnet.
pepper, Scotch bonnet, red pepper. They have the brown cayenne in it too. That brown one there. But all of them little green one there are the brown cayenne. They're hot. Yeah.